His Excellency the President, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed, good afternoon. As you are aware, ladies and gentlemen, the Kenya Kwanza government, under the stewardship of His Excellency the President, has got a very, very ambitious digital transformation strategy. That strategy, ladies and gentlemen, entails the digital superhighway as a thematic area in the Kenya Kwanza plan. And to operationalize that, we are embarking on an ambitious program of rolling out 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic cable to enhance the ICT infrastructure in all parts of the country. We are establishing and operationalizing 25,000 free Wi-Fi hotspots all over the country, and also in the same vein, setting up a total of 1,450 digital hubs in all the wards in the country, ladies and gentlemen. Equally, we are embarking on an ambitious digital literacy program among members of the public and public officials so that there is an optimal level of uptake of the ICT infrastructure that we are rolling out so that we are able to move towards the digital transformation agenda that is envisaged. We are also embarking on a digital entrepreneurship program that would ensure that Kenya as a country becomes a manufacturer of both digital infrastructure and software. While doing this, we have now embarked on the process of digitalizing government services and also digitizing government records, ladies and gentlemen. Within the context of our meeting today, we appreciate the fact that we need to ensure that there is an enabling framework from a policy, regulatory, and legal perspective that ascertains that there is both data protection and data privacy. So the delicate balancing act that we have to exercise from a policy, legal, and regulatory perspective, ladies and gentlemen, is to ensure that while conforming to the Data Protection Act on one hand, on the flip side of it, we must also ensure that there are adequate provisions within the law that will not inhibit operationalization of the Access to Information Act, because we have got fundamental entities at government and even the private sector levels that would require to access information in line with their constitutional mandates as enshrined in both their mandates and the 2010 constitutional dispensation. And I want to assure you that as a ministry, we will constantly consult with relevant stakeholders depending on unfolding events from time to time to ensure that we have got that enabling policy, legal, and regulatory framework to strike a balance between the Data Protection Act and Access to Information Act, ladies and gentlemen. With those few remarks, may I now have the distinguished honor and privilege to invite His Excellency the President to come over and address the congregation. Thank you very much.